Okay, you missed our jog. We actually ran. There's the lake, the stream, whatever you want to call it.
Want to go down there?
Okay, go this way.
I look tired.
And this way. We'll go to the rocks. Need my hands?
No.
Good.
Ow! Ow!
Yeah.
Oh, she fell.
The car's like right over there, but up a little. There's fishies.
Is there a rock?
No. Friend, come this way. We'll walk this down. Because the car's right up there.
You think?
Yeah, because remember?
Oh, I don't remember.
Good, good. Ooh. You coming?
No, I'm not camera.
Yeah, me too. Up. Here, hold my hand.
I got you, I got you.
Friend. Come on.
No, I can do it.
Friend. Now you need my hand.
No.
Okay.
Smell me fun.
No. We're going down in.
Alright, Jordan, you do that.
Where are you going?
Follow me.
Yeah, okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm looking up.
Genius.
What do you mean?
Sorry for the crotch shot, guys. Oh. Friend, we should jump down on the rocks.
Yeah, friend, you want me to sprain my ankle and die?
No, look. Let me in front of you.
I got you, Jordan.
Get down right here.
No.
Yeah. Watch. This is disgusting, but put your hand.
I can't touch that.
Friend. Hold the camera for a minute when you're done. Hold on. Yeah.
Wow. It's like freaking hot.
Okay, we might want to sign off. We're going to put it away.
Alright.
Love you,
Peace
honey.
out, guys. You put it in the front?
Yeah.